Hello. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a solution to this problem. Wires that are torn in the car. Or, wires which are torn in a motorcycle. Or, wires which are torn in a boat. Maybe the problem is smaller, and you need a solution to a torn wire on the loudspeaker. Perhaps, you have an even smaller problem, like a thread that is torn in your earphones. Therefore, for fixing such problems, you will probably have to buy all of these items. Soldering iron. Solder wire. Sellotape. Stand for soldering. Fan for smoke. Flux for soldering. Workstation. Do not worry, I have a much easier solution. You will not need all these items. With my help, you will only need lighter, and our revolutionary product, solder seal wire connectors, which shrink in the heat. Just watch and see how our SELITAN product works. Our product is easy to use, saves you time and energy, and above all saves you money on any items you do not have to buy. The product is made from hot shrink tube. In two places he has glue that melts in the heat. And, in the middle, there is a metal, which also is melted in the heat, and holds the ends of the wire connected in strength. You will need just a lighter, and SELITAN solder seal connector.